What we're going to do, CPM. CPM we divide into different one. This is the hand CPM. Okay, I'm not going to tell you, say what diagnosis for. I just want to tell you how to use it. The other part, say when to apply the CPM. That's another scenario. We're not going to cover that. We don't have the time for that. So we divide into a couple parts. First, this is kind of like a robotic arm. We put on the top of the hands. Matthew will be our client. The other part is, say the control panel. We can control to program different type of, say the speed, the range of motion, stuff like that, which we're going to cover that. And the first one we're going to do is the finger clip. The clip, say we will have to attach on the patient's hand. For the safety, for the time being, say we have to save a little bit time. I won't go for all of them, but ideally, this is good enough for all the fingers. But I just, attach 2 of them only, so at least you got an idea. So we have to do it a bit tight on the fingertips. Always good, say if you just overlap a little bit here, so when the time you have to take it out, it's easier to take it out. Why you show me that finger? Oh, okay. Thank you. You asked for it. Okay, so imagine now, say we just use 2, but as I mentioned, we always can put 4 of them together. It's not a good idea. I have to raise it up a little bit first. Okay, good. Now. And we have a few straps. The first one we put is the one on the palm. Tighten it. And then the one around the wrist. You have to make it, tight fit, otherwise, if the CPM is moving, it can, shift or compromise the range through the loose, say, space there. So make it tight enough, and afterward, here's the tricky part. Okay, you bend down. So that this wire here, we clip to the finger clip there. Okay, so now they connect together. Imagine if the patients didn't got too much, say movement passively. That's why CPM stands for continuous passive motion. And now I turn it on. And because we already pre-programmed, so I just turn it on, you can see it's moving at the range we want. If say you guys from set it here, so this is the range we set it up. And say the speed here seems a little bit fast. In case we want to say try to make the range difference. Let's say if I want to move more extensions. Okay, then I stop this one. I go to the set mode. Yeah. And then I turn, say example here, extension fractions. So I go to extensions. And then if I want to go for more, no, sorry, I should go from that side. So this is the way you can adjust, say what you want. Example, if now I also want to have more fractions, then I go to the fractions, and then I go all the way. So you can see, say this one, the shaded area also showing you what the range you aim at. So just for the purpose of showing, you know that now we extend the extension and also for the flexion. Say at that moment we find that if the speed is too fast, I want to go slower. Then I go to the speed, I turn it down a little bit, maybe really a lot. So we should see the difference from the range and also the speed. The speed will be slower, but the range will be more. Let's see. See, you see the speed is different. And Matthew, you should tell, say the range now moving extension will be more, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes, say if people, they got really stiff hands or swelling is really bad, this maybe is the first way to start with. And when you think about if continuous passive motion, if one of the way you want to improve the range, you cannot just do so fast, you can do slow. Okay?